In today's high-tech, hyper-connected, competitive world, your CV needs to stand out. Science and technology is transforming at rapid pace. Next-generation technologies including data science, AI/ML, NLP, augmented reality, robotics, cloud computing, genetics and more are disrupting industry sectors. Healthcare sectors are one of the fastest-growing industries, generating millions of jobs every year globally. Medical tech, life sciences, pharma, biotech, digital health, hospitals and care management, all are growing and changing at a fast pace. Your CV and work needs to have a unique value proposition and should demonstrate innovation ability, learning and industry knowledge, job skills, and ability to build real-world solutions. We can help. We are MEDIX, a unique co-innovation and knowledge management platform focused on collaborations in healthcare sciences and technologies. Get industry skills. Avoid executing just standard, theoretical, dummy projects. Work on real-world projects. Get orientation and mentoring from industry experts. Hands-on experience and exposure. Surge ahead. Get access to jobs, thousands of gigs or projects. Learn and upskill. Network and connect. Internships, mock preparations. Be a job creator. Build solutions. Startup. Navigate incubation and acceleration. Funding support and mentoring, and much more. We are MEDIX, enabling co-innovations through learning, collaborations, consulting, and communities. Co-innovate with MEDIX. Register to connect with us. Get started. Build careers with impact. Leap forward.